Hello again, and welcome to another one of my ongoing HTML series. I do kind of cool things, and I show you tags, and then eventually I'll show advanced stuff like how to make sidebars and web pages and cool things like that. More than just what the tags do. But if you're starting somewhere, this is a fantastic place to start because it just shows you what the tags do. This episode I'm using my new boom stand, so let me know if the sound's really good or really bad. I think it sounds good because I've got it set up through a monitor so I can hear myself. So I think it's coming through good, but if it's not, or if there's too much breathing because it is fairly close to my mouth, that kind of thing, just let me know. And in this one, we're going to cover the header and the footer tag. Now, the header and the footer tag are both those magical semantic tags in that they're basically divs with different names. But the difference with header and footer is they kind of work, like I said, semantically inside other content. So if you have like a section tag or some of those other things, you can actually reuse them multiple times. You are not limited to one tag per page. You can actually have the header for the actual header on your page, the footer for the actual footer of the page, and then if you have like multiple like articles or something on the page, you can actually have headers and footers within those. And so some of the things I've done is had several divs for like a sidebar or main content, and had header and footers for both of those, as well as headers and footers for the pages. It helps divide your code a whole bunch when it comes to your markup. And when you're doing your CSS, you can target your header and footer, and you can do like div dot or ID sidebar header, and then it'll know that the header tag inside the sidebar will react slightly differently. But other than that, they're basically divs. They're block level elements that display stuff. So let's just go ahead and show a basic example here. Let's say we put our logo goes here, tagline here, and our footer will be copyright super awesome dude. And then just for shits and giggles, I'll add a p tag here, and I'll say super happy fun time, and then show you the page here. And when we load it, you'll see here that it says it'll just show you, it looks just like as if they were in separate divs. They've kind of got their own spacing to them. The cool thing is when you actually get into start styling and using CSS, using these tags is just invaluable. It's way better than just having div suit. I mean, just to show you an example of something that you could do something like ID header, and this would be basically the same thing. But I mean, it's just using just a header tag and a footer tag. It's a lot cleaner than just with these. The difference is pretty apparent visually and through the system. So go ahead and use some headers and footers. See ya. Peace.